In this question of statistics from basic maths, Duty Chand of Odisha is the first Indian woman sprinter to win gold medal in 100 meter. She finished the sprint in 11.32 seconds, which is her best time. Being inspired by Duty Chand, many girls of our state are now coming forward to make sports as their career. The data given below shows the time taken by the girls to complete a race of 100 meter in a state level competition. So time is given 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and number of girls are given. So if we add them 16, 36 and total 40 girls have participated. Now we'll come to the question. Question 1 is name of the town used for finding the difference of maximum and minimum observation in a data. So that is range, isn't it? Range is largest value of the data minus lowest value of the data. That is maximum and minimum value of the data. So answer is range. Class width is class size, which is given by upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, that is denoted by H. And class mark is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. And frequency is number of times particular event occurs. Okay. Question number 2. How many girls finished the race in less than 16 seconds? In less than 16 seconds, so 14 to 16 also will come, 12 to 14, 10 to 12 means 20, 3 and 1. So if we add, we will get 24 such girls. Next question, what is the mean time taken by the girls? Now to find the mean time, uh, class is given 10 to 12, 12 to 14. We should find X mark, class mark here, which is 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. This is Xi. Fi is 1, 3, 20, 12 and 4. So Xi, Fi direct method we can use here. Fi Xi is 11, 39, 300 will come, then 76 will come, 204. Okay. Summation of Fi Xi will give 630 and sigma Fi is 40 because 40 girls are there who have participated. So mean will be average mean time will be sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi, which is 630 by 40. 10 will go, 4 ones are, then 3 will remain, 4 sevens are we can write, 2 will remain, 4 5. 15.75 second is the mean time. How much faster Duty Chand is from the mean of the above data? See, mean is 15.75 we got, and in 11.32 seconds she is finishing the race. If we subtract, we will find the difference. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3, then 4, 4.43 seconds. From the mean position, she is 4.43 seconds fast. Next question is class mark of a class is 12, size is 10, lower limit of the class is. Now see, class mark is what? Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. But this class mark is given 12. So upper limit, lower limit, you divide by 2, 24. Okay, this is one equation. Size is 10 means upper limit minus lower limit is 10, which is denoted by H. Okay, which is denoted by H, which is given 10. So we have two equations we can solve. So we can add equation 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So u minus L equal to 10, u plus L equal to 24. This will go 2u equal to 34. So u will be 17. So upper limit is 17. We can find from equation 2, from 2, 17 minus lower limit equal to 10. So L will be 17 minus 10, which is 7. Lower limit will be 7, which is option B. So option B is correct.